I am her friends from Thailand.
Welcome back. So today I got a surprising call from my friends, and they are hanging out in one of my favorite bars here in Makati. And for 6 months they've not been night activities for me, because of this COVID. Everyone has been on lockdown, right? So and it seemed like the nightlife here in Makati is gradually coming back to life. Out of curiosity and not to get the COVID, I'll be going out tonight to check out what is happening, and you guys will be seeing what it is like right now with the lockdown and what is going on basically. So this is what this vlog is about. I'm wearing my face mask, and I also have my plastic face mask. I don't know what the rules are right now, but just to be really safe, I'm going with these two. I'm headed towards the taxi area to get a taxi. Makati Ave. Oh, can you take me?
Makati Ave.
Okay, Makati Ave. How much?
60.
Okay. There are no taxis available, just these tricycles. Hi, Kuya. Where is
Left side.
left? Thank you. So I saw like some police guys back there. I'm a bit scared because I don't really know what the rules are, but I'm actually close to the border I'm going to right now.
Tire 6.6, write your name.
Yes! Oh my god, how are you? Oh my god! Long time! Oh my god! 8. Okay.
One more bucket. Doing this one.
Yeah, I'm trying to, and you're giving me another one. No!
We're gonna die now. Tomorrow pregnant from the beer.
Hold on!
Do you wanna take this one?
Yeah, okay, let's go. Now?
Hi.
They're closed. Okay.
Avi,
Go ahead.
get me the basket.
What do you want?
Basket.
Of what?
Basket. The
Try again?
basket.
What is basket?
Basket.
Oh, sorry. Once you get inside, everybody, you're gonna wash your hand, sanitize.
Welcome to
Thailand.
Thailand.
Wash your hands, guys.
I am watching my
this,
hands.
this is like a very small room. Thailand.
We are in Ben's apartment.
You're nanny na.
Yeah. If this is bad. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ow, my legs.
Stop knocking!
Bahaw. Bahaw, it means
Rice
old
cooker.
food. Old food like like you cook it.
We're trying to cook noodles. What's that?
You don't know, can you leave?
Benz, I need a new dress to wear. Give it to me.
It's a pink,
Tie color.
It's my
right now.
Thank you.
No way. This one.
Okay.
Don't leave me alone.
I must imagine the 6 months must have been really hard on you.
Oh my god, you're already twerking. There's no music yet. Chef,
Yeah.
South Africa is the land of Miss Universe. We should be one nation. As Asian people, we can do it. In my dreams, I fall asleep and I dream about it.
Oh yeah.
They want to come Makati. Wake up! Guys, what are we eating today?
Kanpon ka, mami dun.
Tinder.
My legs hurt. I didn't even do any exercise.
My friend sent me this.
So innocent.
What did you cook last night, Benz, while I was asleep?
I don't remember anything.
Let's take Ben hiking.
Yeah, we
Let's
should
kill
take
him.
Yeah, that's what. Oh my God, Benz.
It's already back to normal now. We can go mountain.
Oh, we can go to the beach or something.
We can go somewhere in the north.
Do you know any place?
Let's go to Manila Bay White Sand.
Yeah, let's do it. Which day? I had to come to the bathroom to get some privacy, and from the continuation of yesterday of everything that happened, we'll be going to a Korean restaurant for breakfast. And Benz is saying, I'm hearing him mentioning soju, which is a Korean shot-like drink. So I think the drinking might continue till this morning.
How about Abby? Abby,
Yes,
do
Daddy.
you have any idea which?
I don't have honey. I think we're going to Korean.
We
Yeah,
gotta
we
go
can-
to
we can
Korean
go.
first,
And
And then I'll go
there.
home.
No way.
I'll go home.
No.
I'm going
Let's go. I'm
If
so
you-
hungry now.
If you go home, I won't go to Korean barbecue. You
Where
know, when they
this?
went to Thailand and then they're back, it was, you know, where it's on the airplane.
Oh, thank you. Elephant prints on it.
Freaking.
Madam.
So we're settling for Hong Kong noodle place. So that's where we're headed to right now.
Only name, address, and then number.
Just don't please, just pass everyone.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
I don't know what this is. I ordered it.
Calamari. That's calamari.
It's sweet.
It's squid.
Sweet?
Mmm. Sweet and savory mixed together. Freaking
Can
delicious.
I try?
Yeah, please. Look at your fox.
Ate!
So we're in Carla's apartment.
It's at the mountain and the sea.
Inspiration.
I need to poop.
You need. Thank you so much. I'm so tired. That's that. Thank you. Good morning again.
I didn't sleep now. I'll be take all the pillows.
I didn't take. I didn't take all the pillows. Yeah, take a shower and I'll take stuff.
I will sleep. No.
Benji, you're missing out. I'll pass the mirror. Yeah.
Can I have
Go ahead. I'm going to brush my teeth with my finger. Oh wait, she has cotton bud, so I'm just gonna do that. Perfect. Where's your mop for the floor?
There's no mop. What did you do?
No, the ground is just wet. I'm just.
Oh, did you take a shower?
Oh yeah. Maybe just touch my body.
Who are the loser wielding the whiskey?
No.
No shot to whiskey.
One shot for you. Let's write it down. You cheated, Ben. It's 24 hours already, and this is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.